In this video, I'm going to discuss about a CIS interview experience from Cognizant, and the interview was conducted on 31st of March, and the slot was 2 p.m. to 2:45. And in this video, the candidate name is Sandeep Kumar, and he has shared his interview experience with me. And in this video, I'm going to cover it: the interview questions, and what should you say, and the answer, and what are the tricky questions that are asked. So the first question was self-introduction. So you have to prepare a basic introduction of yourself. You have to include your name, your college, your branch, and what a major project you have done in your college. And if you have done any internships or certifications, you can mention that. And then you have to mention your hobbies or extracurricular activities. So this is a proper introduction that you need to prepare to give in the interview. Why you want to join IT company? This student was from mechanical engineering branch, so he was asked that why you want to join IT company. If you are from non-IT branches, you can be asked this question. The next question was explain about your final year project. So whatever final year project you have done, you have to study it, and you have to properly explain it in the interview. And the next question was what is DBMS? And there are some questions that have been asked in DBMS, object oriented programming, and data structures. So these are the key areas that you need to prepare. And what is primary key and foreign key? So this question is also very common, and you need to prepare the basic questions of these fundamental things. The next question was what are access modifiers? So it is a question from object oriented programming. So the access modifiers, and there are various types of access modifiers like public, private, and protected. So you need to answer these questions. Uh, the next question was, are you willing to relocate? So always say yes to this question, because if you say no, you can get rejected because they are looking for candidates who are able to relocate throughout India. Can you work in night shifts? This always say yes to this question again, and there your role can be such that you have to work in night shifts for some days. So always say yes to this question. And then the last question was, do you have any questions for us? If you want to ask any question, you can ask. Otherwise, you can simply avoid that I have no questions, and then your interview will be over. And this was the basic interview experience of this candidate. He was giving the interview for CIS role. And if this video is helpful to you, please like this video. And if you want to share your interview experience, you can mail it to me. And if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel to get more updates.